Welcome back to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2019, where the final scores are Bamboo Primary on 11 points, Pembroke Hall Primary on 20 points as we head into the final challenge. For the viewers' information, the material that could be absorbable was not accepted by Bamboo Primary. The correct answer was absorbent. Now we head into our final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 for the answer that's incorrect or if they answer before being identified. This section lasts for 4 minutes. As you can see, we have that time up on our NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock, which means we're ready to go. The teams are ready to go. We begin our final challenge with local affairs. It's a visual question. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person. That's the principal of the UAmona campus, Dr. Dale Weber Sports. In the sport of cricket, if a batsman who is facing a delivery hits the bails off his stumps or uproots the stump with his bat, what term is used to describe his dismissal? It's a hit wicket. Bible knowledge, what was the name of Jacob's first wife? Pembroke Hall. Leah. That's right. Science, steam is hotter than boiling water. Is this statement true or false? Bamboo?
False.
That's incorrect. It's true. English language, spell agile. Bamboo?
Agile, A-G-I-L-E.
Which means nimble or sprightly. That's correct. Music. What's the name of the music show held annually in St. Anne, organized by the Jamaican artiste Tony Rebel? It's a Rebel Salute. General knowledge, in which country is the capital city of Wellington? Bamboo.
New Zealand.
New Zealand is correct. Television, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this local actor. It's Paul Campbell. Mathematics. ABC is an equilateral triangle with each side measuring 7.4 centimeters. What's the perimeter of the triangle? Oh, the bell came first. It's 22.2 centimeters. Social studies. The southwest section of Guyana is closest to which South American country? It's Brazil. Television, in which town is the cartoon series The Flintstones set? It's Bedrock. Sports, it's a visual question. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person. He's Jamaican athlete Frederick Dakers. Bible knowledge, what are the last 3 books of the Bible's new Bamboo?
John.
Time's up. What are the last 3 books of the Bible's New Testament in the order they appear? It's 3 John, Jude, and Revelation. That's incorrect. Science, true or false? Some animals' blood is blue in color. Bamboo?
True. True.
That's right. English language, by changing the prefix, give the opposite of persuade. Bamboo.
Mispersuade.
That's incorrect. It's dissuade. Music. Which Jamaican gospel artist recorded the album Sticks Nor Stones? It's Rondell Positive. General knowledge. What's the name of the largest island in the British Virgin Islands? Tortola. Local affairs. Who is the governor of the Bank of Jamaica? Pembroke Hall.
Richard Biles.
That's correct. Mathematics. What's the next term in the series? 3, 9, 27, 81. Time's up. No time for that answer, and that bell signifies the end of the match. And we have what? Pembroke Hall Primary on 24 points, Bamboo Primary on 11 points, which means a hearty congratulations to you, Pembroke Hall Primary, and well tried, Bamboo Primary. Stay with us. We wrap things up when we get back.